Okay, I'm going to talk about this eBay turbo manifold like I should have 3 years ago, but I made a video on it of me getting it in the mail and talking about it, and not of me actually putting it on and running it. So here it is. There is a cast manifold off of eBay or other websites that you can find online, about like $105 to $150 depending on where you can find it. This is the T2. You can get them in different sizes. The video I did before, I got a T3, I didn't realize it, and so I sent it back and got a T2. They did not send me the heat shield they were supposed to, so I just grabbed one of my old license plates and put it on there. Also have a little motorcycle license plate, because they're aluminum, on there just to control the heat a little bit better. I need to do a better setup, I know. You don't even need to tell me. Also, the hardware's kind of mismatched, but that's not the point of this video. Just here to tell you that I have had really good luck with it. It's on 10 pounds of boost. So far, it's held up really well. It's also, if you don't watch my other video, and this is the only one you see, on the bottom of this, there is a spot for an external wastegate, which I have blocked off right now because this turbo is internally gated. And this is a T28 turbo. It's basically like the Disco Potato turbo that a lot of people run, and that's it. I mean, I've had good luck with it. If you are looking for a budget manifold that's still sturdy and robust, I would tell you to pick one up, because yeah, they're pretty hard to beat unless you've got a hookup on a name brand for cheaper. I'll stop there because that's what this whole video was supposed to be about, is just a quick update on that. And go pick one up if you're looking into them. Would I recommend it? This car is on Mega Squirt, has RX-8 injectors, got a Turbo Smart boost controller to get it to 10 pounds of boost, and yep, stock transmission, stock rear end. And that's the story of this little 95 Miata. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. So, I put it back together and realized that I didn't even tell you if the manifold fits problem-free or not. It does fit perfectly. There are no fitment issues with the manifold itself. It has not cracked. The turbo's got lots of room. There wasn't any problems with it mounting to the head, and it was machined nice and flat. So this is a CX Racing turbo, and that's about it. Okay, so I think I've covered most of what people might ask, but if you have more questions, just let me know and I'll get back to you guys.